Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make custom packaging for your small business. First of all, you need a cardboard sheet and the double side tape, scissor, cutter and the ruler. So let's begin. It's a thin cardboard sheet. Start with the measuring process. I want a 9 by 9 inches square box, so yeah. I'm gonna leave 1.5 inches margin on all four sides. This is basically a box height. After leaving a margin lines, I draw the actual box size, which is 9 inches. Then further I again leave the 1.5 inches margin. Similarly, I will mark the width as well. Now I'm combining all the marks. So here the box base is ready. Now we will draw the top of the box. The top has the same measurement as the base. So let's cut it. Here we go. The part to be bent will be cut. So carefully just cut the margin lines. After cutting, let's bend it out.